In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up daily reminders in Outlook Calendar. This can be incredibly useful for managing your day-to-day tasks, ensuring you never miss an important appointment, meeting, or personal reminder, like taking your medicine or performing a routine check-in. So, let's get started. First, we need to open Outlook and navigate to the calendar view. This is where we'll be spending most of our time setting everything up. Once you're there, look at the calendar and choose the day you'd like your reminder to start. We do this by right-clicking on your selected day. From the menu that appears, you'll need to choose the option labeled New Appointment. Now that we're in the New Appointment window, let's enter a subject for your reminder. This should clearly outline the task or activity you're planning to be reminded about. For example, you might enter something like daily check-in if this is to remind you of a routine task, or take my medicine for a personal health reminder. Next, it's time to set the start and end time for your reminder. Think about when you really want this alert to trigger. Remember, these times can affect how the reminder fits into your schedule alongside other commitments. With that scheduled, the next step is to make this reminder recur daily. You can find the recurrence button in the ribbon at the top of your appointment window. Once you click on it, you'll see a section titled Recurrence Pattern. Here, select Daily and make sure the frequency is set to 1. This frequency ensures your reminder will repeat every day. If you foresee needing this reminder only for a certain period, you can specify an end by date. This will automatically stop the reminders at a future point chosen by you, perhaps when a project concludes or habit is formed. Once your settings are complete in the dialog box, click OK to return to the main appointment window. Now, we want to make sure the timing for the reminder works for you, so click on the drop-down menu labeled Reminder. This is where you can choose how much advance notice you'd like before the actual event time. Options like 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even 1 day are available, so pick what suits your needs best. Finally, after reviewing all your settings and ensuring everything is correct, click Save and Close. Congratulations, you've now set a daily reminder in Outlook Calendar. This should help you maintain a sense of order and keep you punctual in your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.